Not sure which soldering station is right for you? You're about to find out. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best soldering stations, fast heating, precise, and perfect for every electronics project. Whether you need professional performance, rapid heating, or accurate temperature control, we've got it all covered. Watch till the end to see which one is the perfect fit for your work. Item number 5. The Sugon T61 soldering station is a powerful 400-watt soldering solution designed for professional electronics work. It supports a wide temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 12 degrees to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for large solder joints and precise electronic repairs. Compatible with C470, C245, and C210 tips, it ensures versatility for different tasks. The station works with universal AC 110 volts, 220 volt input, and operates at 50 to 60 Hz frequency. With CE and FCC certifications, this soldering station combines high performance, safety, and efficiency for hobbyists and professionals alike. Item number 4. The IR6500 BGA Rework station is a powerful infrared soldering system designed for precise electronics repair. It features 1250 watts total power with independent upper 400 watt and bottom 800 watt heaters and high precision closed loop temperature control. Compatible with BGA, PBGA, CSP, and multi-layer PCBs up to 400 x 305 mm, it ensures efficient lead-free soldering and component rework. Made from aluminum alloy and iron with oxidation and spray coating, it's durable and corrosion resistant. Integrated USB connectivity allows easy computer control, while cooling fans, LED lighting, and an adjustable XY lifting regulator make soldering accurate, safe, and convenient. Item number 3. The Sugon T36 Nano soldering station is a compact and efficient soldering solution with 85 5-watt power consumption and universal AC 110 volt 220 volt input. It offers a temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, 390 to 42 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the working mode, with excellent stability of +2 degrees Celsius. The station features quick operation buttons for easy switching between degree C and degree FF, storing temperature channels and calibration. With a tip-to-ground resistance under 1 ohms and low tip potential, it ensures safe and precise soldering. Lightweight, fast heating, and customizable, it's perfect for IC component repair, PCB work, and electronics projects. Item number 2. The FNIRSI DWS-200 soldering station is a high-power 200-watt precision tool for electronics work. It features a 2.8-inch HD screen and adjustable temperatures from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, 212, 842 degrees. Compatible with F210 and F245 handles, it offers preset temperature groups, real-time monitoring, and standby mode. With wide voltage input 100-240 volts and fast heating, it delivers consistent performance. Lightweight and compact, the DWS-200 is ideal for PCB repair, IC soldering, and electronics projects, combining speed, precision, and durability in one reliable station. Item number 1. The Sugon A9 soldering station is a high-precision 120 watts intelligent soldering solution. Compatible with T115, T210, and T45 handles and JBC tips, C11510, C245, it features fast heating, accurate temperature recovery, and programmable PID control for stable soldering. The handle includes a sleep mode when placed in the stand, and the station offers preset memory temperatures, CF conversion, and automatic tip temperature compensation. Ideal for tiny solder joints, IC repairs, mobile phone maintenance, and multi-layer PCB work, the A9 provides professional-grade performance with quick response, high accuracy, and versatile handle options for all soldering tasks. Which of these soldering station is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.